I've been sat there for hours waiting for this moment. Hours! Wow, there's a lot of people here, a lot of people. You guys had a good day so far? I'm just really thankful that you've all stayed and you haven't gone, do you know what? Nah, I've got to go home and sorry. I'm really happy you guys have stayed. Thank you so much. Oh, that was fun on the stage. Well, thank you very much anyway for throwing it. Pleasure. This next one we'll do for you is off the album. And this is called On My Cloud. It goes like this.